Hey, let me show you 3 hidden modes in your Redmi Pad SE. So first one is located in the settings, so all you have to do is just to open the About tablet, and here you have to find the Emotion UI version and keep tapping on it until you get the notification that you are now a developer. And to open this developer options, we have to go to the additional settings, then scroll down, and here we are with the developer mode, and here we can find actually a lot of options. For example, we can enable or disable the automatic system updates, we can turn on the USB debugging, but also we can change this animations speed, so it means that your animation scale, when you go to the 0.5, it will be a little bit faster, but you can also make it to looks slower when you go for the 5x. Take a look how slow it works right now. Okay, this one was actually pretty quick. Take a look. For some reason the transition is turning off, but I'm not sure why. But when you take a look right here, it pops really slow. And let's go for other options for other than 2 hidden modes. So first we have to power off our tablet by holding the power button. Keep holding and then swipe to power off.
Hi, I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Here are some things you can try saying to get started.
Okay, that was weird, but right now we have to use the 2 buttons combination, so we are going to use the power button and the volume up button. And when the screen turns on, we have to release the power button and only hold the volume up button. So take a look, click and hold on these 2 buttons. And now release the power button and only hold this volume up button. And as you can see, right now we are in the recovery mode. So in the recovery mode, we are also able to wipe the data. So for example, if you forgot your on-screen password, you can bypass it by using this wipe data. You can simply restart your device, connect with the Mi Assistant, and also go to the safe mode. And to open the safe mode, you have to select this safe mode for sure and tap on the power button. And now our device will restart and go to the safe mode. So in the safe mode, you are able to test your device to check if any application is unstable, if you have any other software problems or firmware problems with your device. So you will be able to do this. Now our device will restart in a couple of seconds, so just wait for it. And also I'm going to show you how we can exit this safe mode, because it's not that easy. There we go. As you can see right now, we are in the safe test mode. And to get rid of this mode, we have to basically repeat all the steps. So first, power off our device. Keep holding, swipe to power off. After a few seconds, we have to use the 2 buttons navigation. So power button and the volume up button. Keep holding them. Release the power button and hold the volume up button. And now when you are here, all you have to do is just to reboot your device. So click on the power button right now and go to reboot to system. And now your device will restart and turns without the save mode. And that's all. Bye bye.